Morning everyone, and welcome to MarineMax here in Cumming, Georgia. I'm John Powell, and today we're going to be taking you through a short walkthrough our 2019 Boston Whaler 250 Outrage. You can see this is definitely an offshore boat, but also works very, very well here in the lakes and bays and rivers. It's got a much deeper hull that you're going to find is part of the Outrage series. It definitely handles the big water and the big waves more. This would be an excellent boat if you wanted to take it from here down to Florida or to the coast and go back and forth and enjoy your fishing no matter where you want to go. This one does have the beautiful gray hull scheme on it, and one of the new options that we can get in 2019 and 20 is these chrome 3D lettering. I think it really sets off the boat well, and we haven't seen it too often yet, but it's very, very pretty on this particular boat. We're going to move on to the stern of our boat. Now this one is a twin engine boat with twin Mercury 200 horsepower Verado outboards on it. These are in the optional white color. So you can see it sets off the boat very, very nicely. Of course, you have 400 horses pushing a 25-foot boat, so this boat is a real performer. Also here on the corner, you've got one of your live wells on board. Very deep, has a standpipe and lights inside. Tension hinge so you don't pinch your fingers when you're opening and closing it. It's right there where you need it. We move into the boat. Now this is obviously where you're going to do most of your fish fighting, but you do have this optional fold down bench, which is great if you're taking some family along to go with you. But that folds up and tucks out of the way and leaves you a nice big fighting deck. You do have a sprayer back here as well. This is going to be off your freshwater tank. Tow rails for when you're fighting the fish. Cleats, and you've got fish boxes on both sides. One on this side and a matching one on the far side. Here at the back of your helm, you've got another large live well, again with standpipe and light inside, tension hinge, a couple of cup holders, and twin seats up here for you and your boating partner. This boat does have a T-top, nice fiberglass hardtop up top, storage bag, glove box, day-night light. And then here at the helm itself, you've got tilt steering, a large 15-inch Raymarine GPS unit, which is also going to have your chart plotter in there, your fish finder will be in there. Everything that you're going to need to head out for a day on the water. It's also equipped with Mercury vessel view. When this is powered up, you'll see all of your engine data. It's going to be on there. Fusion stereo, which will do Bluetooth and satellite radio. Another storage glove box. And of course, all of your accessory switches. One of the features is this power vent, which is up here in the top of the windshield, which will let you get a little bit of extra air. And of course, you've got your bilge pumps, your lights, your freshwater washdown. This boat also has a raw water washdown, all your various lighting, and you can show your fish boxes and everything that you need to do. Trim tabs, port and starboard, and then of course you have a digital throttle as well. This is push button start and stop. It's all fly-by-wire. This is an extremely easy to maneuver vessel. As we move forward to the bow, bow setup for both comfort and fishing. You have another big storage area up under the front helm seat or front console seat. I believe this can be had as a live well as well. Storage in the floor. Great big compartment where you can put a ton of gear. Storage under the cushions. This boat is equipped with the windlass anchor and rope. Galvanized anchor to make it look a little bit nicer, or I'm sorry, stainless steel anchor. Again, plenty of seating or room to fight your fish. Grab rails all around. As you can see, it's the deck is all treaded, and anywhere that's treaded you can stand on. And last but not least, as you move back aft, up underneath the console you do have a large compartment. You can see this is a large space. Your ignition keys, storage, vacuum flush head. Your main stereo head unit is in here. The one on the dash was a auxiliary. You can even take a shower. Thank you everybody for stopping by and watching our video. Again, this boat can be found out here at MarineMax in Cumming, Georgia. You can reach us at 770-781-9370 or find us on the web at www.marinemax.com. Again, thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day out on the water.